Hello dear student, myself Vikash Kumar. Today I am going to teach chemical equilibrium chapter, and today I will discuss about in this video calculation of active mass. So what is formula of active mass? Formula of active mass, we can write number of gram molecules and divide by volume of vessel in liter, or in term of mole, number of gram molecules, we can write number of moles of gases divided by volume of vessel in liter, are equal to N by V, number of moles per unit volume. Unit is mole by liter. So finally unit of active mass is mole per liter. We can express in mole per liter, active mass expressed in mole per liter. As for example, like 4 gram H2 in 4 gram H2 in 2 liter container. Okay, what is active mass of 4 gram of H2? Then we can find active mass of H2 in mole per liter by formula N by V, where N is number of moles. So 4 gram is given mass, 4 gram of H2 divided by molar mass of H2, 2 gram per mole. Okay, and divide by volume. Volume is 2 liter. So now we can calculate 2 2s are 4, 1 2 1 are 2. So 1 mole per liter, or 1 capital M. So 1 mole per liter is active mass of 4 gram of H2. This is answer. So you can take a screenshot. This is final answer. Hello dear student. Now I am going to solve question number 1. This question is completely based on calculation of active mass. So according to this question, calculate the active mass of each present in 1 liter container. These two questions are given. Now first, here volume is 1 liter. So given that for the calculation of active mass, the formula of active mass is active mass. Formula is number of gram molecules divided by volume in liter. We can also write N by V, means number of moles of molecules divided by volume in liter. So unit is mole per liter. Mole per liter. So finally unit of active mass is mole per liter. On the basis of this formula, we can calculate active mass one by one. We can solve easily question number 1 and 2. So from question, volume is 1 liter. So volume is 1 liter. And now for first question, 2 gram H2. The question is calculate the active mass of 2 gram of H2 if volume of container is 1 liter. So active mass of H2 according to given data, active mass of H2, here given mass is, so from formula N by V we can calculate given mass is 2 gram. So 2 gram divided by their molar mass, 2 gram per mole, 2 gram per mole, divided by volume 1 liter. Okay, so after calculation we can get result 1 gram per mole. Okay, so you can take a screenshot. Question is complete right now. Now the next question we can solve. Question number 2 is here. So once again, for the calculation of active mass of 3.55 gram Cl2. Now, for the calculation of active mass of Cl2 from formula N by V, given mass is 3.55 gram and molar mass of Cl2 is, we can calculate 35.5 molar mass of one atom of chlorine. For Cl2 multiplied by 2. In case of Cl2, we can find their molar mass of Cl2 molecule. So 71 gram per mole. This is the molar mass of Cl2 divided by 71 gram per mole and divided by volume 1 liter. So after calculation, we can observe here result 0.05 mole per liter. So this is answer. This is active mass of 3.35 gram of Cl2. So you can take a screenshot. Now question number 2 is also based on calculation of active mass. So watch my video carefully. Now according to this question, calculate the active mass of each present in 1 liter of container. Two questions are given. So initially given that 1 liter container, so volume of container is 1 liter, and for calculation of active mass, so formula of active mass is N by V, number of moles divided by volume of container. Now mole by liter, mole per liter is unit of active mass or capital M. So with the help of this formula we can easily calculate. Now question number 1 is 16 gram of O2. So active mass of O2, in mole per liter. Here N is V, N is number of moles. So given mass is 60 gram and molecular mass of O2 is also 60 gram per mole. Okay, and divided by volume is 1 liter. So here molar mass of O2 is now we can calculate active mass of O2 in mole per liter. So number of moles find by given mass 16 gram divided by molar mass of O2, O plus O, 16 plus 16 is 32 gram per mole. This is molar mass of O2 molecule, so 32 gram per mole. Okay, and divided by 1 liter. So 1 by 2 mole per liter. 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 mole per liter means 0.5 mole per liter, means 0.5 capital M, so mole per liter. So this is correct answer. This is active mass of 0.5 mole per liter. 0.5 mole per liter is active mass of 16 gram of O2. You can take a screenshot. Now question is solved right now. Question number 2. Calculate active mass of 17 gram of NH3 ammonia. So according to question, 1 liter volume of container. So V is 1 liter and molar mass of NH3, N plus H plus H plus H. Nitrogen atomic mass 14, hydrogen 1 gram per mole. So after calculation we can get 17 gram per mole is molar mass of ammonia. Now we can easily find active mass of ammonia. Active mass of 17 gram of ammonia. The formula of active mass is N by V, mole by liter. So for the calculation of active mass, again given mass of NH3 is 17 gram, molar mass of NH3 is 17 gram per mole. After that, divided by volume of container. Here volume of container is 1 liter. So volume is here 1 liter. Now 1 mole per liter is active mass of 17 gram of ammonia. You can take a screenshot once again. Question is finished. Now question number 3 is also based on calculation of active mass. So according to question, at 400 degrees C in 2 liter reaction vessel. Okay. So volume of vessel is 2 liter. How much? Volume of vessel is 2 liter. Once again, at 400 degrees C in 2 liter reaction vessel, 4 gram H2 and 128 gram of hydrogen iodide is taken. 4 gram H2 and 128 gram of Hi is taken. Calculate their active mass. So for calculation of active mass, formula is N by V, unit is mole per liter. So in case of 4 gram of H2, 4 gram of H2, we can calculate active mass of H2 by EY. We can calculate active mass of H2 with the help of, we can calculate active mass of H2 with the help of N by V formula. Given we can calculate active mass of H2, it means 4 gram of H2, active mass of 4 gram of H2 with the help of formula, active mass of H2 is equal to N by V. So for the calculation of N, 4 gram divided by 2 gram per mole and divided by 2 liter. So 2 to the 4, so finally 1 mole per liter. 1 mole per liter is active mass of 4 gram of H2. So you can take a screenshot. After that, we can calculate 120 gram active mass of. Now, active mass of, we can remove this. Now, active mass of 128 gram hydrogen iodide by EY with the help of N by V formula. N is calculated 128 gram divided by molar mass of hydrogen iodide. So with the help of H, atomic weight of H plus I, 1 plus 128 gram per mole is equal to, with the help of molar mass of hydrogen iodide, H plus I, hydrogen is 1 gram, iodine is 127 gram. Hydrogen is 1 gram, iodine is 127 gram. So after sum, 128 gram per mole is molar weight of hydrogen iodide. So 128 is here gram per mole. 128 gram divided by 128 gram per mole, and volume is 2 liter. So divided by 2 liter, and after calculation, 1 by 2 mole per liter, 2 mole per liter or 0.5 mole per liter. This is the active mass of 128 gram of hydrogen iodide. You can take a screenshot.